Ow! Damn it.
I don't even know where we're at.
Me neither.
Nova,
What are you
you're
doing?
wrapping yourself around a tree. Come here.
Come here.
Not that way.
Oh, other side. Or not.
Come on, you got this. Good job. Nope.
Okay.
You have to. Jamie, you have to walk.
You might have to carry her because I don't think she's understanding very much.
Good job. There you go. Look at this.
This
clearing.
is nice. I like this.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you could go other places too.
I told you. You wanted to go hiking, so here we
I
go.
love hiking.
Ming is enjoying this too.
Ah, beans.
You having fun, Beanie? All these nice new smells.
The deeper we get in nature, the more I cough. Don't fall. I don't trust any of this. Pretty.
We are, okay.